you have to start with the solved example, page number 147. The example of the group frequency distribution table. So the example is like this: find the mode of the age of age of the children. The age of group of the children is given and the number of children are given. The age group of the children and the age number of children are given. Means 43 children are in the age group 6 to 8 years, 58 children are in the age group 6 to 10 years, 70 children are in the age group 10 to 12 years, 42 children are in the age group 12 to 14 years, and 27 children are in the age group 14 to 16 years. And you have to find out the mode of the children. So if you want to find out the mode, at that time you have to prepare the column like this. Vertical columns you have to rearrange. This age group of the children or class you have to write here, and the number of children you have to write here. This one is called as the frequency, this one is called as the class. So I will say that this one is class and this one is frequency. First group is 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14 and 14 to 16. And the frequency I will write 43, 58, 70, 42 and 27. I already told that if you want to find out the mode by the formula, that time it is important to find out the model class first. How you have to find out the model class, that also I already explained in the previous lecture. Means first of all you have to see that 43, 58, 70, 42, 27, this is the frequency. Which frequency means which one is the maximum frequency? Here 43 is maximum, 58 is maximum, 70, 42 or 27 is maximum. Which one is the maximum frequency? This 70 is the maximum frequency. So I will write this as 70 as maximum frequency, and this class I will say that this class is called as the model class. So this is the model class because frequency of that class is maximum. So this is the model class, and this is the frequency of the model class. This is the frequency of model class is represented by F1, and this is the lower limit of the model class. L is the lower limit of the model class is 10, and the class height of the model class is 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, and this frequency preceding the model class is 58, that one is represented by F0, and frequency succeeding the model class is represented by F2, and that one is 42. Means this is the frequency succeeding means next frequency of the model class. Then this is the previous frequency of the model class. Then you have to say that this is the frequency preceding the model class, this is the frequency succeeding the model class, and this is the frequency of the model class. This is the model class, this is the lower limit of the model class, this is the class width. You will find out upper limit minus lower limit is equal to 2. Once you will get all these things, at that time you have to implement all these things. So I will say that maximum frequency F1 is equal to 70 and the model class is 10 to 12. This 10 to 12 is the model class. Lower limit of the model class is 10. Class height is 2. F1 is equal to frequency of the model class is 70. Then the F0 is the frequency of the model class preceding the frequency of the class. Frequency of the frequency of model class preceding the model class is 58, and the frequency of the class not model class, frequency of class preceding model class is 58. This one is 58. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class is 42, and from that once you will get all this data, at that time it is very easy to find out the mode. For the mode you have to utilize the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So you have to put the value. L is 10, F1 is 70, F0 is 58 upon 2 multiplied by F1 is 70, F0 is 58, and this F2 is 42 multiplied by class height is 2. First of all you have to do the subtraction of this. So then you have to do the product of this, and after that you have to do the sum of this. So how 70 minus 58 is equal to 12. 72s are 140. If both numbers are negative, add their magnitude and give the sum the negative sign. At that time this will come minus 100. A bracket complete into 2. So 12 as it is you have to write 140 minus 100 is equal to 40. Then 12 the denominator is 1. 12 to the 24 upon 40. 24 upon 40 is equal to 0.6. 10 plus 0.6 is equal to 10.6. Therefore, mode age of the children is equal to 10.6. In this way, you have to solve this example. I think you understand these things. So, first of all, you have to try to understand that. First of all, you have to search the maximum frequency. That class is called as the model class. That frequency is called as the frequency of the model class. Frequency preceding the model class is F0. Frequency succeeding the model class is F2. And this is the lower limit of the model class is L is equal to 10. Height of the model class is upper limit minus lower limit is equal to 2. In this way, you have to solve this example. I think you understand this example. In next lecture, I will start with the practice set of this mode. Thank you.